Welcome back to the Meandering Mina YouTube channel for another Wee Meandering video. These videos are on places or activities that you can see or do in under an hour. On this frosty winter morning, we're heading to one of Stirling's best kept secrets, Janna's bakery. We're going to order some sweet and savory treats and chat with Janna herself and learn a little bit about what makes her bakery a must-see stop on your travels through Scotland. We love supporting small businesses at Meandering Mina, and Janna's bakery makes it really easy to shop small. We ordered a variety of goodies today, but I can tell you from extensive research that everything she makes is delicious. Janna makes something for everyone, from essential Scottish bites such as steak bakes, scones, sausage rolls, and Empire Biscuits, which you might recognize from the Disney film set in Scotland, Brave, to Middle Eastern fare such as börek, which is a filo dough pastry, and baklava, along with many other baked goods. For our something savory today, we ordered a filled roll with tuna and sweet corn, but I have to tell you that her panini are amazing. Here's a peek at her menu. I really appreciate how reasonably priced everything is, especially for the quality. This is not a tourist trap. It's a place to get some high-quality scran made with love and attention to detail. I ordered a coffee this morning to combat the chilly weather outside and decided to taste a bit of everything we ordered before chatting with Janna. I am partial to a good Empire Biscuit. These are 2 shortbread rounds with jam in between and an icing on the top. Some are decorated with a jelly or gumdrop, as some might say, but Janna puts candied cherries on the top of hers. I tend to find that mass-produced Empire Biscuits that you can find in grocery stores are too sweet and have far too much icing. Janna's have the perfect amount of sweetness and the flavors aren't overpowered by the sweetness of the icing. If you want to try this quintessential treat while in Scotland, you can't go wrong with getting one from Janna's bakery. We stole Janna away from her customers for a couple of minutes to talk about her shop, treats, and Stirling.
So, when did you open your bakery?
I opened on my birthday. It was one of the biggest presents on my birthday. It was 27th of April. And I was very proud to do that after working hard for 2 years from home. I was taking individual orders and I had already my database, my customer database. I opened finally my coffee shop, my dream coffee shop that I was really dreaming of for many years. I was really proud of that. The day I opened, I had many customers already from Facebook coming and visiting me that were coming to collect their cakes from my home, from house.
What is your favorite thing to make?
My signature is cinnamon rolls. The cinnamon rolls are the main thing that I started with. And then it started coming up the carrot cake. The carrot cake is the second famous thing. And the baklava, Turkish baklava, is very nice. It's not only Turkish, it's coming from Armenia, where I am from, and it's also very popular. I put my love in them. It's not just doing them. I have my love, and making something with love is very, very important. It makes the things even tastier. All the pastries, all the cakes, it really makes better.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And then this one would be, what do you like most about Stirling?
People. I like people. They're very friendly, very helpful. I love staying here. It's small. This is what I like in life usually. I don't like I live in busy cities for many years, but I like the calmness, the quietness. It's a family city, I would say. I love finishing the job and going back home. This is very, 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 very important for me. I love it.
Absolutely, that's great.
It was so lovely getting to chat with Janna. She has been nominated for the Stirling Business Awards, and she hasn't even been open a year, so it's evident that she's already made a huge impact on the town. You can vote for her and her bakery using this QR code.
People call me a baking fairy. Baking fairy, yes. Baking fairy or a baking girl. Yes, that's my signature usually. Whenever I write posts, Yes, under my posts I always write yours baking fairy or your baking girl.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. I love that. Baking fairy.
The baking fairy is always happy to see you all.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that is great.
Well, there it is. You heard it from the baking fairy herself. Pop over to Janna's Bakery the next time you're in Stirling. I know you'll have a magical and delicious time. Thank you for joining me, Meandering Mina, on a wee meandering adventure. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you the next time we meander the gorgeous globe together. Bye-bye.